Hello guys, welcome to the daily quiz for 17 September 2018. The sources of the question are as follows, and starting with the first question. Biochemical oxygen demand is a criteria used to measure which type of pollution? Answer is B, water pollution. And biochemical oxygen demand is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by aerobic biological organisms to break down organic material present in a given water sample at certain temperature over a specific time period. And the second question is, which one of the following river stretch is most polluted according to CPCB assessment? Answer is B, Methi. And the stretch from Powai to Dharavi in Mumbai is found to be BOD of 250 milligram per liter, and BOD is biochemical oxygen demand. And the third question is, which Indian state is set to launch first ever dial FIR? And the answer is D, Uttar Pradesh. And in this scheme, a common man can register regular crimes without going to a police station, even as it is preparing on online photographic dossier of criminals that will be provided to police. And the fourth question is, which Indian private company has developed 10 centimeter cube size communication satellite which will be launched by SpaceX? And the answer is C, Exceed Space. And it is a Hyderabad based company. And the fifth question is, satellite Nova SAR and S14 recently launched by ISRO. Which country these satellites belong to? Answer is A, United Kingdom. And these satellites are owned by Surrey Satellite Technologies Limited. And the sixth question is, what amount is allocated by Member of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme MP led to each Member of Parliament every year? Correct answer is C, 5 crore. And this amount is given for local development in MP's area. Moving on to 7th, the MP-led funds are funded and administered through. And the answer is B, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. And Shri D.V. Sadanand Gowda is Minister of the Department. And the 8th question is, Kutubuddin Aibak belongs to? And answer is A, slave dynasty. And he was the first ruler of slave dynasty in 12th century. Which country won South Asian Football Federation Cup 2018? Answer is C, Maldives. And Maldives defeated India in final. International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed on. Answer is A, 16 September. And this year theme was Keep Cool and Carry On, the Montreal Protocol. And the 11th question is, Sabari Mala temple is located in which state? And the answer is C, Kerala. And this temple was recently in news because the women above 10 years and below 50 years are not allowed to worship in this temple. 12th question is, Monetary Policy Committee belongs to? And the correct answer is A, RBI. And Monetary Policy Committee of India is a committee of Reserve Bank of India that is responsible for fixing the benchmark interest rate in India. 13th question is, who has won Singapore Grand Prix 2018? Answer is A, Lewis Hamilton. And who has set new marathon world record? Answer is A, Eliud Kipchoge. And the 15th question is, the famous newspaper The Washington Post is owned by? And the answer is B, Jeff Bezos, and he is also the founder of Amazon. And 16th question is, which city is referred as Diamond City of India? Answer is A, Surat. And thank you for watching the video guys, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.